Now you are welcome to the class. So you are welcome to the class. Today what you are talking about is the next thing is how to get sole or inner sole pattern. We have all these pattern like this. We have this shape. We have this shape of pattern. We have this shape of pattern. Different shape and different sizes. As you can see, we have the small size, all ages from age 1 to all ages. We have it. All sizes, different design, different patterns. All these patterns that you are seeing here, how can you get your own pattern for insole and sole pattern? All these pattern, how can you get it? You don't have it, yes, but you want to have your own. See this shape for female or male. So how can we get all these pattern? That's exactly what we are discussing now. You can get all these pattern through 4 means. All these pattern you can get it through how many means? 4 means. Number 1 is through ready-made sole. What did I call it? Through ready-made sole. If you have any ready-made sole like this is a ready-made sole, this is a ready-made inner sole. So like this, you place it on your carton. For example, I place this ready-made sole on this carton. I mark it out like this. As I mark it out here, this is a ready-made sole. I mark it out. It's a shape on its own, so I can get a pattern from here. Now you see it, this is a pattern. I will cut it out and that's a pattern. If I decided to use this inner sole, this ready-made inner sole, I can place it here. This ready-made inner sole, I place it here. I mark it out here. I want to get my pattern for insole or inner, for sole or inner sole. This is another pattern, another shape entirely. So any ready-made sole or inner sole you see, you can get pattern through it. That's one. Second way that you can get pattern, that's inner sole or sole pattern, is through your Lars. We have Lars. We have different types of Lars. I've showed you. So you place it on your carton or your leather board, mark it out like this. This is another way to get pattern. This is a pattern, abi. So you have marked it, you measure it out. So this is another shape of pattern. So you have different shapes of Lars. So any Lars that you take, place it on your carton or your leather board, mark it out, you get a shape, a design like this. That's the second way. We said first one, ready-made sole or inner sole, through Lars, and the third way is through our measurement of leg. Don't forget, yesterday I measure my leg. Measurement of leg, or we call it creativity as well. Creativity. Measurement of leg or creativity. I've measured my leg like this. Through this leg, I can sketch out that okay, this is how I want. Not that I'm cutting that leg out, but I'm sketching out through the leg. You can sketch it out. That's what you call measurement of leg or creativity. So through the measurement of leg, any size of leg, so you can sketch out a pattern through it. So now if I cut this out, I have a pattern. This is another pattern. You can see it. This is a pattern on its own. So what I just need is to just cut it out. That's the third way. And lastly, because we have 4 ways of getting pattern, is through finished products like this. We have a finished product. If you see anybody putting on a design and you like the shape, you just tell them to bring that design and you place it on your pattern like this, and you mark the shape out. You mark it out like this. You mark it out like this. So that's what we call how to get pattern. You mark it out. This is a shape on its own. So don't forget, through ready-made sole or inner sole, through Lars, that's our Lars, either sandal Lars or shoe Lars. Through measurement of leg, that's the third way. Measurement of leg, we call it creativity. You can sketch out, not cutting that leg out, but you sketch it out. And finally, through finished product.